Hello world, welcome to Insta Feed Widget. This is my newest website. Easily display your Instagram feed on your website. What you see here, this is my own Instagram feed. This website will allow you to have this, and you can, generate this code and paste it on any of your sites. It has like a very clean, simple UI. The embedded code, which is HTML and CSS, is very easy to customize, so you can, change the code to fit your website styles. But yeah, if you click any of this, it will basically open a new tab and go to the post. Let's get started. So basically, what you need in order to generate this embed code, you need to communicate with the Instagram API, and to do that, you basically need to generate what is called an Instagram short-lived token first, and then with this short-lived token, what this tool will allow you to automatically exchange it for a long-lived token. So the embed code that you get lasts 60 days. This token is essential for communicating with the Instagram API to retrieve your latest posts. Okay, so let's go to the instructions page. Let's go to the very beginning. So the first thing you have to, obviously you need a Facebook account, right? So make sure you have a Facebook account, and then you will need to register as a meta developer. And if you need more information, you can read this meta developer registration guide. So after registering as a meta developer, log into your meta developer account from the main navigation menu and select My Apps to access your app dashboard. Okay, so it should look like this. So on a different tab, let me just copy this link. So I have different tab, where is it? Here, where I'm already logged into my Facebook account. I will go now to developers.facebook.com. Okay, so if I go here and click my apps, it will show me the available apps that I have, right? So I already have one, but I will create a new one just to show the different steps. Let's go back. Go back now to the recording here. Okay, so create a Facebook app. Okay, this is the second step right here. You should see a new screen with the question, what do you want your app to do? Select other and click next button. Okay, so first we need to click on the create app green button, and then we need to select other. Let's do that. Create app, click next, select other right here, next. Now it says in the select an app type screen, select consumer and click next, just like this picture right here. Consumer, next. Here's where you give a good, a name for your app. I guess I will make it very easy. I'm just gonna name it test widget feed or something like that. Okay, app contact email. I need to add something else. No, that's pretty much it. Okay, so create app. Perfect. Let's go back to the instructions. So now on the next step number 3, configure Instagram basic display. Add the Instagram product to your app. So this is the one that we're looking for. Here, and we just need to click on the setup button here. Perfect. So now let's go back to the instructions. Instagram basic display is added to the left side menu under products, so just like here, and this is the page that we are seeing right now on the other tab. So scroll to the bottom of the page and click create new app. So this blue button we need to click. Let's do that. Down here, yeah, you'll see the Instagram basic display is added here on the left. You just need to go to the basic display, this page, and click on create new app. Okay, yeah, we'll keep the same name, test widget feed, create app. So yeah, that generated, an Instagram app ID, an Instagram app secret, and there's some fields here that we will need to fill up. So let's go back to instruction. These are the fields that we need to add. So we already have the name of this new Instagram app, but we need to provide this following field. So you can just copy and paste. So valid OAuth redirect URIs. Copy that. Here it is. Paste. The authorized callback URL. Copy. Paste. Data deletion request callback URL. Copy. Paste. We can just click the Save Changes button. Let's do that. What's saved? Let's see, let me just click it again. Oh, that happened here. Okay, I think I know what the problem is. Let's see. Yep, so here there's a little space. Yeah, you can see that space right there. I think that's the issue. So let me, so remove that space. Okay, I think that works. So now I can click Save Changes. Now it has been saved correctly. Perfect. Let's go back to instructions. So now we need to add an Instagram test user. Okay, let's open this section. Navigate to app roles, and click the add people button. Okay, so app roles, and add the people button. App roles, and add people. Okay, so here is showing that under the additional roles for this app select the Instagram tester option and enter your Instagram account username. So Instagram tester, put your Instagram account, so Astral Memories in my case. There you go. Click on that. Add. There you go. Perfect. So now you can see that is in pending. Let's go back to the instruction. Yeah. You should see the word pending next to the Instagram tester. That's what we're seeing. So open a new web browser and go to www.instagram.com and sign into your Instagram account that you just invited. So it has to be the same one you added here previously. So let me do that actually real quick. I think I'm already logged in. Okay, yeah, let's see. So now navigate to profile icon, edit profile, website permissions. Okay, let's do that. Profile, edit profile. Oh, there it is. Website permissions. Have some websites. Now you have to go to tester invite. This is the last option here. So now we can see the name of the new Instagram app that we created previously. So test widget feed in my case. So you just click here on accept. There you go. So let's go back to the instructions. Your Instagram account is now eligible to be accessed by your Facebook app while it is in development mode. So let's go back to here, and I think if we just refresh this page, the pending should be removed. Yep, there you go. It's not on pending status anymore, so that's good. So let's go back to the instructions. section number 5, authenticate the test user. So to authenticate the test user, you will need to construct the authorization window URL below, replacing the app ID with your Instagram app's ID from the Facebook app dashboard, product Instagram basic display, Instagram app ID field. And you also need to replace this redirect URI with your website URL that you provided in the valid OAuth redirect URIs field. So the URL must be exactly the same. This gives you an example how this authorization window URL should look like. So basically you will need to replace this client ID with your Instagram app ID, and then the redirect URI, we will be using the same one because if you've been following the instructions, you should have the same here, the same redirect URI. That is pretty much it. But so to make your life easier, on the next section here, basically it generates the authorization window URL for you. So you only need to provide the Instagram app ID. So if I go back to here, okay, you need to go back to your Instagram basic display again. This is the Instagram app ID. So if I copy this, go back here to the instructions, paste the Instagram app ID. You just need to click on the generate authorization window. So if I click on here, it will automatically generate the authorization URL. So with the correct client ID that we provided and the redirect URI, as you can see, you will receive a similar window like this one. So test widget feed would like to receive the following information about Astral Memories. I will allow it, so click on allow, and that's it. So now you can see that it went back. The Insta Feed Widget website basically identified the request went back from Instagram, and it provides you right away with the authorization code that you will need on this step. So if we go back to the instructions and we move to section number 7, because this is already done. So if the authorization is successful, the authorization window will redirect you to the specific redirect URI, which we already did, passing the generated authorization code via the code query. We did that. The authenticate generate token page will capture this code and use it to exchange it for a short-lived Instagram user access token, which is essential for generating the Instagram widget embed code. So now that you have the authorization code, this very long string, we will just need to use this form here. You just need to provide your Instagram app ID again and your Instagram app secret, and with all these 3 fields you will be able to generate the short-lived access token. Okay, so and that is basically explained here on step number 7. So once you granted permission for your Facebook application to access your Instagram profile information and content, you'll be redirected to the token generator page in a new tab. Okay, so this is what we actually are seeing now. So we only need to provide the Instagram app ID and the Instagram app secret. So let's do that. I'll go back to this page here. I will go to the Instagram app IDs here, so I can copy that again, put it here, and then the Instagram app secret. Okay, hopefully that's my password. Copy this, go back to the Instagram app secret. Now I just need to click the generate short-lived access token button, and there you have it. So basically you'll see a lot of information here on this page. The first thing that it does is to exchange your authorization code for a short-lived Instagram user access token. So the request was successful, it shows here. So this is the user ID and the short-lived access token. Okay, with the user ID we need to retrieve the Instagram account username, and you will see why. So this is the response. And now we have the username, which is Astral Memories. Obviously we knew that, but All of this is done automatically here on this page. So with the app ID, this token generator got your username. So in this case, mine, Astral Memories. Now, by using the short-lived token and the username, exchange your short-lived token for a long-lived token. So the request was successful. This is your long-lived access token, right? And it expires in 59 days, 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds, right? Now basically the process is done. The long-lived token was saved together with the name of the Instagram account. You're basically ready to generate your embed code. So if you click here to go to the embed code generator, so yeah, so now we're on the embed code, and because we have the query string with the long-lived token here, it will add it directly here to this field. Let's see, so generate embed code now, and this is the embed code that you can copy and paste on any of your websites. So the result is basically what you see here. So this is how it looks on my case with my latest Instagram posts, right? But if we kind of look a little bit more at the embed code, the access token, so this is your long-lived access token, right? And that is basically what all this website and the instruction helps you generate. That is mostly what I'm offering here on this Instant Feed Widget website, to make it easier for you to generate your long-lived Instagram token. And with that you can have this simple, clean embed code that you can go ahead and copy and paste on any of your websites. And as you can see, it's kind of easy. There's some style here that you can change to fit the style of your website. But the most important part from this embed code is your own access token, right? And you want a long-lived Instagram token, because obviously that will give you 60 days to have the Instagram feed widget working on your website. After the 60 days, the embed code will stop working, and that access token will be expired, and therefore you won't be able to communicate with the Instagram API anymore. Okay, so yeah, let's go back to instruction. This is what I basically wanted to talk about here. So this is something that I will offer to anybody who would like to donate $5 or more. I was explaining that you only have 60 days in which you can use your long-lived Instagram token, right? But I do have an internal script that gets run every week with a cron job on my server. And this script, what it does, it automatically renew your long-lived Instagram user access token before it gets expired. So what I'm basically offering is, to anyone who donates $5 or more, I will offer an automated token management service. So basically I will add your Instagram user account to my personal script, and that will basically refresh your long-lived Instagram access token before it gets expired. And I will do that for you for an entire year, so you don't have to worry anymore. Your Instagram feed widget will work for 1 year. That was step number 8. Number 9, it kind of explains you how to generate your embed code, but we already did that. On step number 10, I explain again that for users who donate $5 or more, I offer the automatic token management service, so you don't have to worry about coming back to this website after 60 days. And remember to do that, and then generate a new long-lived token, and then go to your website and update the embed code that you already have in there. But yeah, you can click on the donate button, or you can scan this QR code. And yeah, here's an example. You only need to let me know what is this for. This will be obviously for the Insta Feed Widget. Provide your Instagram user account and your long-lived Instagram access token. And with that information, I will add that to my personal script, and you're ready to go for a whole year. You don't have to worry. But yeah, hopefully this little tutorial helped you understand all the different steps. I tried my best to explain on each of these steps how you can use this Insta Feed Widget website and how you can generate your own embed codes so you can display your Instagram, your latest Instagram post on your website, your WordPress. But yeah, so hopefully this was helpful. Like this video, share it if you have any friends who have their own websites, and obviously if they have an Instagram account, you can let them know that they can now display their latest Instagram posts on their website. So isn't that cool? So yeah, for me, I wanted to do that, and I started investigating how I was able, how I could, post my Instagram feed on my website. But as I started looking into it, I found out that it was not that simple, right? You just want to share your own Instagram feed on your website. Why is that so difficult, right? So that's why I ended up creating this website, because I felt like it was a lot of steps. So I tried to, make it easier by creating this tool, this free tool that you can use. But yeah, hopefully it is helpful for you. And again, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys around.